I'm just standing about, waiting on glue to dry. I've just installed a new mic and little mic adapter cable thingy. I can never remember the name of these things. It's a combination of letters. So the Naked Ninja, I've just not fallen in love with it. I can't put my finger on what I don't really like, other than the throttle being a bit twitchy. Like, on off, you know what I mean? Jerky, that's the word. It's a bit jerky. But I'm going to persevere. I've done a bit, or I've used a tank and a half basically. So around 210 miles, 220 or something like that. So I'm going to do another few and just see how I got on. I've not really had much time to go out recently due to life getting on the road. So hopefully that will all change soon. Fingers crossed. And I'll get out again on both. So hey folks, hope these are all well. Hopefully my sound's working, since I finally got to the bottom of my problem. TRRS to TRS. Does that sound familiar to anybody? I'll put a little picture up. But I'd had maybe 2 of these in the last couple of years. My initial one died on me, or was starting to die on me, when I done Sky with Lockwood 92 and Berkshire Vlogstar, Grimm's, Sprocket Rocket, Bex, Pat, and last but not least, Grant, WMT07 biker. So I was getting crackles and stuff and popping, and so I swapped it out. I bought a new one when I come back, no problem. Same sort of issues again, except sometimes I was just getting nothing. So I went on AliExpress. I thought, do you know what, I'm going to have to replace these every few months for whatever reason. So I ordered 3 of them, a couple of spares. So it actually came within a couple of weeks, which was quite good. Got it connected up, all set up. Nothing. No sound. Just the same way as if you plug in a mic to the media mod. Well, some mics, I've had one that didn't need it, but every other one since I've needed it. So just couldn't figure it out. I used the old Sony earbud method. I had to turn the volume up 400 times, or 400%, to get it to what it was. It was on the Glasgow Slow Riders first, scored out second meet of the year or something like that, it was tagged. So I figured out eventually what I'd done wrong. I'd got the TRRS and the TRS mixed up when I ordered them. So I thought, I can't wait a couple of weeks for this. On eBay, ordered the right one, or 2, because I ordered one spare this time, and it's perfect again. So I'm quite pleased at that, because I thought I was actually going to have to buy a new media mod. I decided that's what the problem was. Thankfully I hadn't thrown away the old TRRS to TRS cable, the one that was like crackling and stuff, so I put that back on and it was working again. I thought, how can this be different? And the visible differences are this, look. The little rings on the jack plug on the male part. One is 2, one is 3 rings. So happy days. So peace out folks. Just a quickie there. Take it easy and cheers for watching. Adios.